Mm.
Hello, good morning to all. Very good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Good morning, good morning. So, yes, so yesterday we did the chapter and some student has doubt. So, please ask me a doubt, please. Quickly, so that we can start the new chapter. Yeah.
In the sixth question, I didn't understand what is L.
What is
L.
L? L is basically it's the last term.
Okay.
L is basically the last term. It's AN. The AN which we used to take now, that is L.
Oh,
So,
okay.
in this, yeah, so first we have to find the value of N. Like this. So the L is basically the N. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Reena, you did the homework better?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you didn't start also?
Uh, like I like I reviewed it because my mom was changing her phone, so I couldn't use it properly.
Okay. Okay. So I send all the books in the group. So if it is possible, you can download it, print it out, and that chapters are only coming. So you can download serious wise. I sent it, maths book and science book both. So you can go and you can check it out. So if you will take out the print, then there will be no issue regarding that. Okay. Yeah. Agatha, Miraculin, Nayantara, turn on your camera, please. Abraham, David, turn on your camera. Okay. So we'll do one thing. In the next Monday, I will take the doubt class regarding this AP chapter. Okay. Everyone, please remember. Next Monday,
So can you say again?
yeah, next Monday. Monday there will be the doubt class. Monday it will be the doubt class. Okay. It will be the doubt class of AP chapter, arithmetic progression in maths. Okay, so please bring, do as much as question you can do in terminal exercise and all. And if you have doubt, please come up with your doubts. So on Monday, I'll take it. Got it, everyone? Miracle? So you have time till Monday to watch the videos, to do the sums, and you can ask me the questions. Okay? Everyone got it? Reena, David, everyone got it? Say yes or no? Okay. So today we'll start a new chapter. Put a heading quadratic equation. Put a heading quadratic equation. Chapter number 5. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So everyone please pay attention. Okay. Now what do you mean by quadratic equation? So basically, quadratic equation means when basically what does this mean? It means that when the maximum power of a algebraic expression is 2. For example, if I will write one question, so we'll do this. So for example, if I will write x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. So how many terms are there? Reena, did you understand about the term? You know about terms? No? If you won't, then I will explain this about the terms. You know about it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, there are three terms are there in this case, and each term has variable. So for the DOP stands for degree of polynomial. Okay. OP, which stands for degree of polynomial. So the degree of polynomial of the equation should be 2. 2. What is the meaning of degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial means highest power. What is the meaning of degree of polynomial? It is the highest power. So the highest power of the variable should be 2. So for example, this is the one term. Now in this variable, what is the power of variable? 2. Yes or no? In this, how much is there? 1. In this, 0. So what is the maximum power of the variable in this equation? It's 2. So hence it's a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is the equation in which the maximum power should be 2. Are you with me? Huh? Maximum power should be 2. So if I will write one more equation, can you tell me it is a quadratic equation or not? For example, 2xy square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. So Agatha, is this a quadratic equation? Yeah, mute. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. David, is this a quadratic equation?
Yes, sir.
Nayantara, is this a quadratic equation? Yes. Reena, is this a quadratic equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abraham, is this a quadratic equation?
Yes.
Miracle, is this a quadratic equation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the answer is no. It's not a quadratic equation. Okay. How? I'll tell you. I told you like first we have to check the terms. This is the first term, second term, and third term. Okay. Now what is the power of the variable? So we have 2 as a y and 1 as a x. So if you will add it, you will get answer as 3. This is the maximum power of this term. Even the variable are different, but I told you the variable of a power counts. So we have to add this to get the power of a variable of a term. Got it? Huh? Now this is 1 and this is 0 because no variable is there, then no. So what is the highest power we got? We got the highest power as 3. Okay, so if we got the highest power as 3, so it means that it's not a quadratic equation. Are you with me? Did you understand, Reena? No. For the quadratic equation, the maximum power should be 3, not more than 3. Okay, quickly write it down. If you didn't understand, please ask me, guys. Yes, Abraham. What you didn't understand?
So I think so, sir.
You got it? Okay, done. Okay. Now we'll. So basically, the standard form, how to check that it's a quadratic equation or not. So the standard form standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of equation of quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation. So like, turn on your camera, everyone, please. Don't turn off your camera. For example, if I will write here 7x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. So basically, if I will compare the standard form of equation, So it's gonna be look like this. Yes or no? Now in this, what is the value of A? Reena, what is the value of A? If I will compare this with this,
7.
yeah. Yeah, A is 7. And what is the value of B?
3.
And minus 3, because minus also
Oh,
considered.
-3.
So minus 3. And what is the value of C?
5.
5. So if you are getting this type of standard form of equation, then you can say that yes, it's a quadratic equation. Got it? Quickly write it down. Write it down quickly. If you didn't understand, please ask me, okay, guys? Nayantara, I got it? Quickly write it down. Agatha, David, quickly. Now, for example, now we have this question. We have to check that the following is quadratic equation or not. So if I will write x minus 2 into x plus 2, okay, which is equals to 0. So can you tell me how is this a quadratic equation or not? So for that, we have to multiply it. Yes, we have to what? We have to multiply it. So how will I multiply it? It is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. Say yes or no? Hmm? So what is the identity for that? A plus b into a minus b. It's a square minus b square. Like a minus b multiplied by a plus b. The identity is a square minus b square. If I will compare it, so a is x and b is 2. So can I write it like this? X square minus 2 square is equals to 0. X square minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, is this a quadratic equation? Say yes or no. Tell me, is this a quadratic equation? Anybody can
Yes,
unmute
sir.
and tell? Yes, it's a quadratic equation. If I will compare it with the standard form of equation, what will I get? Like ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so who will tell me? Nayantara, what is the value of a in this case?
X.
No, a value is 1. As I told you, like x square coefficient will be a. So here x square coefficient, nothing is written, then we consider as 1. Okay, what is b in this case? B is 2.
Or 4 or 2 square.
No. What is the coefficient of b? Like x coefficient is b. Means there should be x variable should be there. There is no x variable. It means that the b will be 0.
Okay.
Okay. And what will be the c? The c will be minus 4. Reena, did you understand? Say yes or no. Abraham, ask me.
Can you explain that again, sir?
Yeah, I'll explain this again. So this is the thing basically. Remember this thing that whenever you are writing this standard form of equation, your you should remember this where if x square is there, its coefficient is a. If x is there, its coefficient is b. And if nothing like simple constant number is there, then it is always c. So like in this case also, like x square is there, but its coefficient is not written. And if it is not written, then we consider it as a 1. So what is the value of a? A is 1. Okay. Now x, this one is not there, like 5x, 7x, 9x, 12x, it's not there. So because b is the coefficient of x, now if x is not there, so obviously the b will be 0. And the c in this case will be -4, like this. Got it? Reena, you got it? No. Ask me, beta. Reena, are you there? Can you hear me? Did you understand? Okay. So we'll do this question now. And you guys tell me that is this a quadratic equation or not? And if with this quadratic equation, then check check it. Solve this, guys. Abraham, Miracle, are you there? Turn on your camera, please. David.
So
Yes,
you got
sir.
3 whole cube equals x cube minus 3, right?
Yeah. X plus 3 whole cube is equals to x cube minus 3. So first you have to open the bracket. Okay. Now Abraham will help me. Abraham, in the LHS, what is written? X plus 3 whole cube. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how will you open this?
So x plus 3 cube, it's equal to a plus b cube. Whole cube. So that means a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus
Hmm.
b cube
Hmm.
plus 3a square b
Okay. Plus 3b square a. And if you will compare, what is a
So a is x.
and b is
3.
3. So I will put all the thing and I will open it like this. So it becomes x cube plus 3 cube, which is 27, plus 3 into a square, which is x square, into b, which is 3, plus 3 into b is basically 3 square, into a, which is x, is equals to x cube minus 3. Everyone got this? Say yes or no. David, Reena, Miracle, you got this? Okay, so now it will become x cube plus 27, 3 is a 9, so it will become plus 9x square plus 3, it will become 27x is equals to x cube minus 3. Now I will send all this thing to the left side. So it will become x cube plus 27 plus 9x cube plus 27x minus x cube plus 3 is equals to 0. Everyone got this? Hmm? Now this plus x cube and this minus x cube will cut, and 27 plus 3, it will become 30. It will become what? 30. So I have 9x square plus 27x plus 30 is equals to 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? Ask me if you have any doubt. Hmm? Now, is like, what is the maximum power? The maximum power of the first term is 2. The second term is 1. And the third term is 0. So obviously it's a quadratic equation. Obviously it's a quadratic equation. And if I will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, then I will get that my a is equals to 9, b is equals to 27, and c is equals to 30. Everyone got this? Say yes or no. Ask me. Miraculin, are you there? David, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Abraham,
Yes,
any problem?
I understood.
Okay. Reena, are you there?
Yes,
You got it, beta?
yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay,
can
we'll
you
do
add
one
my
more.
video because the internet is very like
Your voice is not clear. It's. Can you say it again?
like my internet is so low. So can I just off volume?
No, I can't. I didn't understand. Say it again. If it is okay, you can write it down in chat box and send it to me. If you're saying something, if your mic is not working. Okay, we'll do one more question. Please ask me doubt, okay, if you have doubt. Okay, guys, check this. Now you have to solve this question and check is it a quadratic equation. And if it is a quadratic equation, then write the value of A, B, and C. Quickly check this and tell me the answer. If it is yes, so you have to tell me A, B, C. If it is no, then you don't have to tell me A, B, C. Nayantara, are you with me? Did you understand? Quickly solve this and tell me the answer. Turn on your camera, everyone, please. Miraculin, you understood? You have to tell me the answer of this, okay? So, yes or no? So my internet is fine. Okay. Okay, Reena, no problem. Abraham, you got the answer?
Not yet.
Okay. Do it better. So Miraculin, you have to open the bracket. Like 3 minus x whole cube, you have to open it.
Yeah, like we have to first the formula.
Yeah, a minus b whole cube. So when you will use this, you will open the bracket and then send the right hand side terms to the left hand side to solve it and check that it's a quadratic equation or not. Agatha, if you're saying something, you're mute.
No, I was just talking to someone else.
Oh, okay. Who got the answer? So it's a quadratic equation, yes or no? Yeah, correct. Okay, Nayantara is saying is a quadratic equation. Okay, okay, we'll check it out. So first of all, we have to open the bracket. So it's again in the form of a minus b whole cube. What is the identity for that? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a. So I will open it and it will become a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a square, which is 3 square, into b, which is x, plus 3 into b square, which is x square, into a, which is 3, is equals to x cube plus 4. Okay. So 3 cube will become 27 minus x cube minus this will become 27x plus 9x square is equals to x cube plus 4. Now this will go that side to become minus. So 27 minus x cube minus 27x plus 9x square minus x cube minus 4 is equals to 0. Got it? Now in this case, they both are have the same sign. Same sign means we have to add them. So 1 and this is also 1. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. So it will become 27 minus 2x cube minus 27x. No, it will not 27. It will become 23. Because 27 minus 4, it will become 23. No? Plus 9x square is equals to 0. Now, Nayanta, you got this answer? Yes or no? Now, in this case, what is the maximum power of this first term? Yeah, mute.
3.
No. It like 23 is the number. Okay.
Yeah.
23 is the
maximum
number.
power will be 1.
No, if no variable is there, then the power will be 0.
Well, if the power
Like
is
here-
0, wouldn't the whole thing be 0?
No. We like in the highest power, we always see for the power of variable only. We don't have any means for the constant value. So like in this, there is no variable.
Yes, but x to the power 0 is equal to 1.
Yeah, that is why it is 1. No, so 1 into 23 is there. No, in the first term, if I will write like this, x to the power 0, what does this mean? 1.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
Okay. So here the maximum power of the variable is 0. I will get the answer 1, but the maximum power of the variable is 0. In this term, tell me. In this term, what is the maximum power?
3.
Yeah, variable power is 3. In this, what is the maximum power of the variable?
0.
No, if 1 is there, no. If variable is not there, then 0 is the maximum power. If variable is there and power is not there, then 1 is the maximum power. Because if nothing is there, we consider as 1. And in this case, 2. So the maximum power of the equation is 3. So the DOP will be 3. So it means that it's not a quadratic equation. So you have to write like this. Because the DOP of polynomial is 3, hence it's not. Hello, sorry, light here the light went. So hence it's not a quadratic equation. Are you with me, guys? Did you understand? Abraham, you have any doubt? Ask me.
So can you explain like how once again like how can we find that it is quadratic equation answer?
So quadratic equation, the maximum power of the variable should be 2. If this equation has maximum power as 3, then we will not consider that as a quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation, the maximum power should be 2, not more than 2. So in this equation, when we solve it, we got to know that here in this, the second term, you can see the variable has the maximum power of 3, not 2. So maximum power we got 3, so it's not a quadratic equation. Simple. Got it? Yes, Abraham. We'll do one more question. Now you have to check this and tell me that is it the quadratic equation or not? How will you check this? Check it. I'll give you 2 minutes to solve it. Let's see you guys can do it or not. Yes, guys. How will you solve this? Abraham. The thing is the like you have to tell me, okay? Unmute your mic and you have to tell me step by step. So we have this equation x plus 1 upon x is equals to 5 by 2. We have this equation. Now in this equation, like if nothing is there, then I will consider it as 1. Did you understand, beta? Say yes or no? Okay. Now we have to make the denominator same. Yes, Abraham.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to make the denominator same. So like if you want to make the denominator same, so what will you multiply in this 1 to get x?
Multiplied by
Can-
x become x upon x.
So the x which you are multiplying, it will be multiplied in the denominator as well as in the numerator, both. Okay, you can't only multiply in the denominator, it will multiply in the numerator also. So x into x will become x square. Okay, upon x plus 1 upon x is equals to 5 by 2. Everyone got this?
So then we'll do x square divided by x, which is equal to x. X is equal to 5 upon 2.
Now x square divided by x means you want to cut this like this.
Yes, sir. Can we?
No, we can't do because here are two terms are there, one term and two term. If this like this, if it is like written like this, na, like x square into 1 upon x, then we can cut because this is whole a one term. But here it is two terms,
So
then
then sir,
we
can
can't
we
do it.
take out the plus 1 by minusing a 1 from 5 upon 2?
Right now, I believe it won't be because here the whole x is dividing. First, we have to send this whole x to that side. So it will be like a cross multiply. How? This x will multiply with this 5 and this 2 will multiply with this whole term. Are you with me? Do you understand? So it's gonna be look like this. 2 into x square plus 1 is equals to 5x. Got it, Abraham? No. So this 2 will multiply with both the terms. So it will become 2x square plus 2 minus 5x is equals to 0. Now, I will ask this question from Reena. Reena, can you tell me what is what? Like what is A, what is B, and what is C? First of all, you tell me that is it a quadratic equation? Yes, Reena.
Yes, sir.
It's a quadratic equation. Why? Because the maximum power of the term is 2.
2.
And what is A, what is B, and what is C?
A is 2. B is 2 minus 5.
2
Oh, no, no.
minus 5.
No, no, no. B is 2.
B is 2. Okay.
And
So,
C is minus 5.
yeah. So I will ask this question. See, the B is the coefficient of X. No? B is the coefficient of X. Yes or no? Now, in this case, here the coefficient of X is minus 5, not 2. Are you with me, Rina? Did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes, sir.
So, now you tell me, B is what? 2 or minus 5? We have to compare with the variable like x square, x square. So here, if you will compare, you have to compare like this because both have the x as a variable. So if you will cut it, so you will get b is equals to minus 5. Did you understand?
Mm.
Okay, and c is equals to 2 because the variable important is there. Like if x square is there, x square you have to compare. If b x is there, x you have to compare. If only constant is there, then only constant you have to compare. Got it? No. Everyone got it? Say yes or no. Agatha, you got it?
Yes, I got.
David, you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So because David got it, so we have to give some homework. Example 6.1 and PYP 6.1. Okay, so this is the homework. Okay,
So we have
David,
to
got
submit
it?
this by tomorrow, right?
Yeah, yeah. So basically, the homework is not too much. Like basically, we have to like what we were doing now. The same thing we have to do. We have to find the value of A, B, C. So there are, I guess, 4 question in CYP 6.2, 4 question in example 6.2, 5 question in CYP 6.1, and 5 question in CYP 6.1. Example 6.1. So simply we have to arrange it and we have to find the value of A, B, C. And it's very easy. Got it? Okay, guys. So we'll say bye bye to Nayantara. We'll wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start our science class. Come back in 2 minutes. Drink water. Stay hydrated. You need. Nice. Okay, guys, come back. So we'll start our
So
science class.
I
Yeah,
had a question.
please.
About the quadratic equation, if there's any other variable other than x, we'll just solve it the same way, right?
Yeah, even if it is other than the variable, means if I wrote the ax square plus bx plus c, no?
Yeah.
So if it is ay square plus ay plus by plus c is equal to 0, then also it is a quadratic equation. It's not about only x will
Okay.
take care there only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now today, guys, yesterday we were doing conservation of momentum. Everyone turn on a camera. It's very important topic because many numericals will be there based on it. Agnidi, good morning. Okay, so we will do that thing again. Okay. Yeah, we will. Yeah, good morning. So we'll do that thing again. So we were doing conservation of momentum. Okay. Now what this says. So first I will write what basically it says. Then we'll do the derivation also. It says that momentum of object before collision momentum of object before collision is equal to momentum of object after collision. Okay, after collision. It says that momentum is always conserved. Is always conserved. Okay, the momentum is always conserved. The momentum before object and the momentum before collision and momentum after collision, it remains same. Okay, now remember this thing. So we have to pay attention on this. So we'll take one example. For example, we have two objects. Okay, like this. This is one, and this is another one. Okay, so because initial we will take two things. Okay, so first of all, this is my A object and this is my B object. Oh yeah, or we can say A ball or B ball. So A ball has something. First, MA. MA means mass of ball A. Okay. Then we have UA. UA means initial velocity of ball A before collision. Okay, before I will give time to write, but you guys have to understand this derivation. Okay, then we have VA, which is final velocity of ball A after collision. After collision. Okay, and second we have B, which is mass B, means MB, means if MB is written, then I will say it's a mass of ball B. UB, which is initial velocity of ball B, means before collision. Before collision. Then we have VB. VB means final velocity of ball B after collision. Now you guys ask me, do you have any doubt what I wrote right now on the board? Any doubt, guys? UA, initial velocity of the ball before collision, and VA is final velocity of ball A after collision. Everyone got this? Any doubt? Ask me if you have. Unmute yourself and ask me. No doubt? Shall I move forward? Okay. Now, for example, this ball having mass like A, so it is MA, and this is MB, and it's moving towards in one direction. For example, this is moving towards this, and this one is also moving towards this, having the initial velocity which is UA and UB. Okay. Now, if this ball needs to collide with this ball, obviously this ball will have good speed than this one, then only it will collide. For example, if this will have good speed or more speed than first A ball, then what will happen? This ball will go forward, 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 and this ball will go slowly, slowly, so they will never collide. Okay. If both the speed are same, then they will maintain their same distance. They will also never collide. But if UA is greater than UB, then you know what will happen? Then the UA will go in fast, it will go slow and it will collide. So for collision, for collision, we say collision. For collision, the UA should be greater than UB. Then only the collision can happen. Are you with me, Abraham? Agatha, Joshua, did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for example, now they are colliding. So, okay. Now, what happened? There's that this ball come closer to each other like this. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no? Because they were far away, but now they are coming to each other because the UA is greater than the UB. Are you with me, guys? Say yes or no? Okay. And the next, third step, what happened? Third step, what happened? That they came so much closer to each other that they collide. Like this. Now they collide. So, for example, if two balls which are coming closer to each other, now they collide. If they collide, obviously now the speed will change. Did you understand? No. If they will collide, so the speed will change. Now, in this case, because they collided, so you know what will happen? Now, who will become fast? Who will become fast? Ball B speed or ball A speed?
The ball B.
Ball B speed, obviously. So, just give me a second. I'm new to this gadget, so I'm trying my best. Okay. Now means after collision, what happened? After collision, now the speed become this will become VA and this will become VB. Yes or no? And obviously, because it will pass on this speed, like if it will collide like this. So if it will collide like this, obviously the ball B speed will increase, no? So now after collision, what will happen? After collision, what will happen? Now VB is greater than V. Okay, so now we'll conclude this. Before collision, what happened? UA was greater than UB, and after collision, what happened? The VB is greater than VA. So it means that the speed or the momentum which ball A has, now it is passed on through the ball B, and the momentum remain conserved. Like the momentum does not change of the whole system. I'm saying. For individual ball, it changed because the speed change, and speed change, momentum change because momentum formula is m into v. But if I will talk about the whole system, the momentum didn't change; it remained conserved. That is the basically meaning of moment conservation of momentum. Yes. Now your doubt, please. One by one. Yes, I got.
Sir, so
Hmm.
after collision, ball A slows down, the ball B speeds up, right?
Yeah.
And the reason that ball B started to go fast is mainly because ball A transferred its momentum to ball B.
Yeah. Yeah. So, for example, if the momentum of the system, like I'm talking about system means both the balls. System means what? Both the balls. If the momentum of system of both the balls is, for example, 10 units. So after collision also, it is also 10 units because the momentum is transferred to the ball B, but it remains conserved for the whole system. Abraham, did you understand? No. Ask me, Abraham, if you have any doubt, please.
I think I understood, sir.
Okay. Nidhi, what about you? Got it? Miracle?
Sir, I got it, but I have a little confusion. After collision, we have to write VB is greater than VA,
VA, yeah.
but we have to write which is greater in the first position.
Yeah, I wrote now. Here I wrote.
No, we can't after collision when we write it. The greater one should always be in the first position, or is it okay if
It's not
we?
necessary. It's not necessary. The necessary is this Magarmach ka muh. We used to say Magarmach ka muh.
Yeah.
If it is open on the left side, that is greater than. If it is open on right side, it is good. It's not necessary.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now we'll find out the derivation. Now this whole thing is important because it can come in your exam for the derivation point of view. If it will come, basically it has chances of 20 to 25%, but if it will come, then you have to write whole thing. That is why I am explaining this step by step. So,
should we write this? Can we have a little time to write this down?
yeah, I will give time. I will give time. So right now it's not completed yet. So initial momentum is equals to the final momentum. Now, what is the initial momentum? Initial momentum means basically initial momentum of ball A plus initial momentum of ball B is equals to what? Final momentum of ball A plus final momentum of ball B. Now, what is initial momentum? Momentum formula is mass into velocity. Now, mass is same, ma. Like ball A, if I'm talking about, should become ma. And initial momentum is same, so we will take initial velocity, and initial velocity is ua. Plus initial momentum of ball B means mass of ball B into initial velocity of ball B is equals to final momentum of ball A means mass A, which is because ball A I'm asking, and momentum is VA. And the final momentum of ball B means MBV This is the final formula according to the law of conservation of momentum. Reena, did you understand what I'm trying to say? If you didn't understand, please ask me, beta.
I didn't understand. Wait. You
Yeah.
wrote it. Initial momentum of ball A is. I didn't understand the whole answer.
Yeah. What is initial momentum?
Can you repeat?
What is the formula for momentum? Mass into velocity.
Yeah.
Now, because ball A we are talking, so it will be mass of ball A, no? And
Yeah.
initial velocity is UA.
Yeah.
So this is initial momentum of ball A. This is initial
Yeah.
momentum of ball B.
But it shouldn't be MA or VA plus
This one.
UA. No. Okay. So I thought you wrote the first part initial momentum MA VA, not I now
No,
understand
it's UA. It's UA.
Yeah, I felt like it was V.
Yeah.
So I got confused.
So this is the formula for the conservation of momentum. Now, if the mass of two balls are different, the conservation does not happen. No, it's not necessary. In this case, the mass are different now. If the mass are same, Agatha, if the mass are same, for example, this is also MA and this is also MM, okay, then also conservation will happen. And in this case, I took the mass different, then also the conservation will happen. It's not depend upon that conservation will depend on mass. No, it depends on momentum, mass into velocity. Yes, Jeshu.
So, if the mass
Hmm.
is same, will the collision be different? If the mass was like, if one ball's mass was a little higher.
In this case, also it's little higher. No, it's like MA and MB. Why I took MA and B? Because the different mass is there. If the same mass is there, then I will take only one M. Like this is also M and this is also M.
Yes,
So
sir. Thank you, sir.
the conservation of momentum does not depend upon the mass. It depends on the product of mass and velocity, which is momentum. So it's not depend on the mass. Got it, Reena? Ask me, Reena.
So I have one more question. Like when you threw the ball and like when you the A1 is it UA that you wrote underneath the arrow or VA?
This one?
Yeah.
This one is UA, UB, before collision. Now after collision,
Okay.
it becomes VA and VB.
Okay. Got it.
Now everyone please write it down. This is full pledge of this thing, conservation of momentum.
So for collision, VA should be greater than UB.
VA is greater than VB, yes.
So will there be any type of questions that
Yes.
they will ask? Fine.
They will ask lot of that question. I'm just sharing you. Miracle, did you understand? Miracle, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you said so there might be questions like there is the answer of after collision and we have to find the before collision. Will
Before?
there be like collision? Like we'll have the after collision. We'll get the question like we know the after collision and we have to find the before collision. Is
I'll
there
show
any
you the
questions?
one. I'll show you the question, na? Then you can see that.
Okay.
Okay. Done? Done writing?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
No, sir.
Quickly do it better.
Sir, I took a screenshot. I'll write it in after the class.
Okay. Basically, I sent it in the group also, so you guys can write it down. The group also. Where is the relation? Okay, we'll do. Okay, we'll do this question. Okay. Now, Joshua, can you read this question?
Example 10.3. A bullet of mass 0.03 kg is fired with a velocity of 10 ms
100 ms.
from a rifle of mass 3 kg. Calculate the recoil velocity of the rifle.
So basically, how this thing happened? Like when bullet is fired, so we should understand two things. First, the meaning of recoil velocity. For example, this is a gun, okay, and this is a trigger, okay. So what is the recoil velocity? Yeah, let me complete, then I will take it out. What is recoil velocity? So those who play games, they know better. Yes, Joshua.
So the question?
What is recoil velocity?
No, I'm saying I raised my hand in the camera
Yeah.
to say I play games. The question is, are we going to do this question or we're going to do extra questions like this?
Yeah, we will do this types of questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. David, you play games. You know what is recoil velocity?
I don't know what recoil velocity is, but I know what recoil is.
Yeah, so means you play games. That's why you know, na?
Yes, same here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I will give lots of homework then so that we can not break it. Okay. So what is recoil velocity?
Sir,
Recoil
for
velocity
the
means
people who don't, sir, for the people who don't play games, we should give less.
no. We
Yes.
are class. It's unity. So if David will get the homework, everyone will get it. Okay. So what was I trying to say? What is recoil velocity? Recoil velocity is, for example, if there is a gun, when I will pull the trigger, so when I pull it, so I will get some backward jerk from the gun. It's gonna be look like this. Okay. So when I pull the trigger, it will come in a backward direction. Who? The gun will come in a backward direction. Are you with me? Did you understand? So basically, here are the two things: gun and the bullet. Bullet having the mass, so we'll take it as like this. So MA, which is mass of bullet. Now, what is mass of bullet? The mass of bullet is 0.03 kg. Then we'll take MB, which is mass of gun. What is mass of gun? It's 100 meter per second. Then we'll take UA, which is initial velocity of bullet, because A is basically bullet. Okay, so I'll make the bullet also, which is going in this direction. So initial velocity. Now, because the thing that it is not fired. So if it is not fired, so they are on the rest. And if they are on the rest, it means that initial velocity of the bullet is 0 meter per second. Then we'll take UB, which is initial velocity of gun. So gun was also at rest. So it means that it is 0 meter per second. Then it is saying that it is fired, like the bullet is fired with 100 meter per second. So now the bullet speed is there, which is going towards this direction. It's 100 meter per second. So VB, sorry, not VB, VA. VA is final velocity of bullet, which is after firing, because fire happened, collision happened. So after firing, it is 100 meter per second. And now VB. Now you have to understand this concept. Okay, Reena will tell me. Reena, the bullet is going in forward direction. Yes, in a forward direction. So the recoil of gun, because the gun will give not forward jerk, it gives backward jerk. So it means that the gun will come in opposite direction to the bullet, because bullet is going like this. So the gun will come in backward direction. It always gives the backward jerk. I hope you saw the videos in which the person who is just firing a gun, when he fire a gun, so the gun will come in a backward direction. So obviously, the bullet direction and the gun direction, they are opposite to each other. Hmm? So if you will take the bullet speed as 100 meter per second or plus 100 meter per second, so the gun will be minus, because it is coming in opposite direction to the bullet. Are you with me? Hmm? Did you understand, Abraham? Did you understand what I'm trying to say? So
Sir,
Yes, sir.
yeah, let me complete. Then I will take doubts. Okay, just let me complete. So final velocity of gun will be minus VB. Now, why I took minus VB? Minus is the sign which shows that it is coming in a backward direction. Means the gun is coming in a backward direction. And VB, why? Because I don't know. We have to find that recoil velocity. Now, I told you, according to the conservation law of momentum, what formula we got? According to conservation law of momentum. So according to conservation law of momentum, we got one formula, which is MAUA plus MB UB is equals to MA VA plus MA VB. So I will write all the values which I had got from this question. So in this question, what I got the mass of a bullet A is 0.03 multiplied by UA is 0 because initial velocity was 0 plus MB, the mass of a gun. What is the mass of gun? Oh, mass of gun I wrote as 100. Wow. So it will be 3 kg. Okay. So I will write this thing. So mass of a gun is 3 into the initial velocity was 0 is equals to mass of a bullet. Mass of bullet is 0.03 multiplied by 100 is the speed of a gun. Okay. Plus mass of a bullet MB. MB. So mass of a gun is 3 and the VB is minus VB because the recoil is there. So this will become 0, this will become 0. So this whole thing will become 0 is equals to, if I will solve this, I will get answer as 3. And the minus VB plus will become minus 3 VB. Now this will go that side. So it will become 3 VB is equals to 3. So VB is equals to 3 upon 3 means 1 meter per second. So what is the recoil? The recoil velocity will be 1 meter per second. The recoil velocity will be 1 meter per second. Okay. Now you guys ask. What doubt? Yes, Lina. Do you have any doubt?
So,
Hmm.
I'm still not able to understand the recoil velocity. What does
The
that mean?
recoil velocity is when you fire a gun, the gun will come in a backward direction. It shows a jerk. So that jerk is basically 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second means it will come like this, like this,
Okay,
like this.
and okay, so when you wrote mass of a MB, mass of gun is equal to 3 kg. How did 3 kg come?
It's written in the question. Can you read the? It's a rifle of mass 3 kg. So what is the mass of a gun?
So the rifle means
Rifle
the
means gun.
gun.
Yeah. And the
Okay,
bullet is the gun.
I've no. Yeah, I've never heard of rifle, so that's why I was confused.
Okay. Anybody else who has doubt? David, do you have a doubt? Unmute and say. Okay. Agatha, you got it?
So recoil velocity is just nothing but the backward direction. Like when you fire a gun, you get that little backward push. Okay.
Yeah. So did you understand? Unmute and say.
Yes.
Okay. So because Agatha got it, we have to give some questions on it. Thank you. Okay. Did you understand, everyone? Immediately, do you have any doubt? Ask me, ask me. So I'll give you the questions. So this is all law of conservation of momentum. So the question is example 10.4. This is also important question. So, TE stands for terminal exercise. Okay? This is the homework. I hope you guys can do uh, not the full course homework you have to do in one day. So, but as much as you can do this homework in 2 days. So I will give 2 days time. But basically, I want you to do in one day only. But I know that you have different work, so you can do it.
So
Hmm.
yeah, I wanted to ask you one sec. There's plenty of yeah. I couldn't finish few chapters of science notes and yeah, so I'm not able to finish the notes.
Okay.
Like when
So you
30th, I am almost done with 30th chapter, but I have like 2 more chapters, this chapter and 5th chapter also.
okay? So what do you want? Like you want notes?
Yeah, maybe like that. When I'm
Okay.
writing notes, I'm just almost writing everything in the book.
Okay. So Agatha can help you. No? Agatha, can you help maybe?
On the
Agatha,
homework.
I guess. No, not homework. Just notes. Like all the
Yeah.
notes. Or this chapter
Like,
and the previous chapter. What Nidhi was asking. Maybe just put a message in the group for the chapter that you were asking.
Yeah,
And then
5th chapter and 10th chapter.
okay, you can just ask me, Nidhi.
Okay, thanks.
So you can send in the group also so that everyone can have that. So I believe you guys will do the homework. And till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayonara. Bye bye.